Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, convertible soft top, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.